Well, had more or less a sleepless night last night because of strong wind gusts throughout the night. It's currently Friday morning. It's 7:30, August 25th. I think so. We're getting some light rain. The sun is not out, and I think the winds have slowed down a little bit. That palm frond has been thrashing around all night, but did not come out. So far, people are hunkering indoors. You can see the rain starting to come down. Not too much yet. It's coming down in sheets here. So far, nothing more than the usual except the wind. We'll take a look around in the backyard.